What's the difference between quit, quiet, and quiet? Quit means to stop doing something. For example, I quit smoking. That means I don't smoke anymore. Here is another example of quit. I quit my job. That means I stopped working in that job. Okay, now let's deal with the other word, quite. Quite basically means very. For example, this car is quite expensive. It means that the car is very expensive. Now let's discover the meaning of the word quiet. Quiet is an adjective that means making no noise. For example, if someone told you to be quiet, that means they wanted you to be silent. Places also can be quiet. For example, I live in a quiet neighborhood. Now pronunciation time. This one is pronounced quit, quit. This one is pronounced quite, quite. And this one in turn is pronounced quiet, quiet. See you in the next video. Bye.